Hello friends, I am Ankit and welcome to my channel. Welcome you all after a good Christmas break. And yes, today in fact most of the markets are closed on account of Boxing Day holiday while the US session is about to begin soon, and it is definitely going to bring volatility. And how to profit trading gold, silver, oil, gas, Nasdaq 100 and Dow Jones, everything we're gonna see in this one single update. We are going to have a brief look, and we will try to find out the levels at which you can take a trade with profit, trade with logic. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share and comment, join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First on gold, see, very simple. Moving average is crossing over here on the daily chart. Certainly is a bearish sign. And the price, if you look at what has happened for the last few sessions, higher lows are seen and it is respecting this zone. And thus it is very, very important. If at any point of time you see gold below 2640, that is the point of time you can confirm that the bears are back. Now, another important observation here on the hourly charts is the resistance it is getting from 2630-32. This is indeed a very crucial resistance zone, and thus if you see gold trading above 2630-32, you can stay bullish from there. Look at the moving averages, these have also crossed over. The prices have tried to retrace, it can in fact reverse from here. So let's see if it gives you a breakout on the upside. Indicators have certainly cooled down here on the hourly charts. And likewise on the 2 hour charts, look at the candles, 5 to 6 candles struggling to stay above 2630, and thus this makes this zone as very, very crucial. Also the 100 period moving average stays there, but the important observation here is the crossover in the moving averages at around 2620-22 zone, which is a very important observation for the bulls here. Yes, the indicators are certainly having further room for a. The same is on the 3 hour charts. After a bit of retracement, trying to reverse, trying to find the support from around 2624, and then we know the most important one is at around 2620 and 2614 levels. These levels you should notice below this 2610.08, and if at any point of time gold breaks below 2610.08, more bearishness should prevail. Right now I will not say that it is the stance is turned bearish. I will still say that it is still bullishness here in gold, though the stochastic on the 3 hour charts is slightly overbought, but the MACD and RSI, everything has a little room here. And the similar is the observation on the 4 hour charts. Look at the candles, pretty good resistance from the 50 period, and now it is trying to reverse from higher lows. So yes, very, very important. Any move beyond 2630-32 is a good sign. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 2630-32 zone. Expect it to move towards 2636, 2640, 42, and if that is taken, then 2648.50 is the next targets. Beyond 2648.50 is where the stronger momentum might prevail towards 5860 levels, the next strongest resistance. And if that is taken, stay bullish, it is a reversal. On the downside, take a selling entry at 2018 levels, expected to move towards 2614, first support zone 2610, 2608 the next, and if that is taken, stay short. We are looking at 2600 levels, chances of which appears to be less. However, these are markets. Now let's move to, and yes, if you've not joined this mentorship batch, join the mentorship batch, and if you've not joined the signals channel, do join the signals channel. Connect with me, write an email, ping me over Telegram for your queries. And if you're looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now silver on the daily chart, see one symmetrical candle, a bit of consolidation. It is on the verge of a breakout. So if you see it is staying above 2980, stay bullish for 3010, and then 3025, 3050 levels. And any move beyond 3050 is a sign of reversal and a rise where 3080 and in fact 31 can be seen. What is happening here in silver? Just notice the movement here, track the movement. You will notice drop, retracement, drop, lower lows. It could retrace towards where? Retrace towards the top of this. Where is the top of this? Towards 3140, 3150. So let's see if silver shows such move. Yes, the indicators are almost at bottom on the daily charts. It can try to show bounce back. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation, very, very important to note. 2950, 2950 is a 40 is a greater support zone here for silver, and this is the only zone below which you can expect more bearishness, else it is still not to be treated bearish. See, rise, consolidation, a breakout here is going to be extremely supreme and extremely strong. Yes, the moving averages are looking upwards and showing a bit of signs of rise here. On the 3 hour, similar observation. So one thing is very, very clear, that bearishness today is only if you see silver trading below 2940 levels. Till then, do not treat this as bearish, and below 2940, 29 20, 29 and 28.75. If at any point of time today, tomorrow or next week silver trades below 28 28.75, stay short for 28.4 and $28 levels here. Right now it is trying to confine its movement between the 20 and 50 period average. Let it break out either which ways. The observation is nonetheless different from what we had seen on the 4-hour, 3-hour charts. A bit of swing here. It is trying to consolidate in the zone. Let it give a breakout either which ways. On the hourly charts also similar is the. Thus, considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 29.75-80 zone. Expect it to move towards 30. 10 levels, 30.25, and in fact 30.40, 30.50 is possible. Beyond that, we can look forward to a greater rise towards 30.80, 31 levels very soon. But right now the stance is not so strongly bullish for silver. Be mindful of this. On the downside, the selling entries are pretty clear at around 29.50, 29.40 zone. Expect 29.20 as the first support zone, and then 29. Below that, 28.75, 28.50 level should appear. Do not see such a strong bearishness as well here in silver. Let it give a breakout, and then only you should take a position. Let's move to crude oil on the early charts. Now see, this is a power of EMA. Look at the support it is getting from the 20 period. This suggests that it is still staying bullish. It is not showing any signs of bearishness here. And those who don't know why these EMAs are used, I have released one educational video to a couple of days back on EMA. You should watch that educational video. Today I am going to teach you how to use MACD in our analysis and why MACD is important. Do watch that as well. Now see, oil is back to the zone 70.4, 70.6, which is a greater resistance zone, and now I will be waiting for it to stay above 71. Now 71 is one level which, if it breaks, certainly the bulls will be there, and you can look forward to 71.4, 71.5, 72.5, and then 74.5, 75 as well very soon. Moving averages here are trading with divergence, and this is indeed a sign of bullishness. Yes, though the stochastic is overbought, but the MACD almost staying flat. It can still further rise, and the RSI is at top as well. On the 2-hour charts, also similar observation here on the 2-hour charts. See, a preceding candle is a sign of consolidation. You can see it is an indecision candle, and now after hitting lower lows, it is trying to break out. So once it breaks out beyond 70.5, 70.6, certainly you can say that the bulls are here in action. Stochastic, MACD, RSI all are rising. On the 3, similar observation here on the 3-hour charts. Higher lows, higher highs. Let it give a breakout either which ways, and a move beyond 71 is what I am waiting for. Moving averages crossing over here also is a very good sign for the bulls, and you can notice higher lows here and higher highs here. Let it break out of this channel. This is also a good confirmation of bullishness. Yes, indicators are still bullish here on the 3-hour charts, and the same is the observation on the 4-hour charts. The crossover is very important. Higher lows are important, and now it is looking forward to a breakout here. Remember, any move beyond 71, very good sign here. Notice this rise retracement. It is already giving a breakout, so this time it is definitely going to take it beyond 72.5 if it breaks out here. Yes, despite the stochastic being overbought, but the MACD is rising and the RSI is rising. This is a good sign for the bulls, and the same is the observation on the daily charts. Remember, it has formed a tail, and it has formed a support from the 20-50 period moving average. So on the downside now, 69.3, 69.6 is one critical support, and then 69, 68.8 the second one. Only and only if oil trades beyond these two, you can say that the bears are back. And else, at least double top has to be there, which means 71 has to be there here. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 70.5, 70.6 levels. Expect 70.8, 71. First target level 71.4, 71.5 second, and then 72, 72.5 third. Beyond 72.5, stay bullish. I am looking at 74.5, 75 levels very soon, and the stance is still not bearish here in crude oil. Only selling entry today is below 69.8, where you can expect 69.5, 69.3 as the first target. And if 69.5, 69.3, 69.3 is a very crucial support, below which you can expect 69 and 68.8 the next. Only and only if you see oil below 68.8, treat this as bearish. Trade accordingly. Let's move to natural gas. Is the one which is trading with strong bearishness. It is trying to give a breakout. It is coming down to the first support zone at 3.34, and we know that now once it trades below 3.34, we are looking forward to 3.3. Now see, earlier I have mentioned 1, 2, 3, and this is the fourth bigger rise. It can in fact come down to the same zone. Same zone means 3, 2.94. So right now it is on the journey to its, but I will say very important support at 3.3 exists, then 3.26, and then 3.2. If these three levels are taken, then only further bearishness should prevail here in natural gas. If you look at the 4, the observation is same. See, previously it was taking the support from the 20 period moving average. Now it has breached the support and it is looking downwards. So it appears that we may see it soon towards 3.3, 3.32, which is very, very good support zone. Only below 3.3, 3.32 is where the bears will be seen here. Indicators have cooled down while the MACD and RSI still have further room for further drop. Similar is the observation on the 3-hour charts, trading below the 20 period and in fact now trading below the 50 period as well. Though the stochastic, MACD and RSI all have cooled down significantly here. And on the 2-hour and 1-hour charts, the story is same. So considering this, only buying entry now in natural gas is about 3.4 levels when you see the lower price above 3.4. And now it is very, very important for natural gas to trade about 3.45 and then 3.5. Any breakout move beyond 3.5 is a clear sign of reversal towards 3.63, 3.64 and 3.8 levels in the near future. Be mindful of this. Right now it is looking downwards. It can try to retrace, but I will say a selling entry at 3.34 where you can expect 3.3, 3.32 as the first target zone, 2.86, 2.84 as the next. And if that is taken, stay short for 3.2624 as the next. And if that is taken, stay short for 3.2, 3.1 and $3 levels very, very, very soon. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Nasdaq. See, Tech 100 today has hit the highs at 21,850, 860, and since then it has taken a sharp dip towards 21,650 and now trying to retrace. Very, very important for it to now trade beyond 21,760 and 21,840 levels. If these two levels are taken, you can stay bullish. Else, right now the stance is slightly bearish here. In fact, you can buy here at 21,720 levels. Expect 21,750, 760, 21,800 and 840. If 840 is taken, stay bullish for further highs. Stochastic rising, the MACD here has hit the highs and it is crossed over for sell, and the RSI has also come out of the overbought zone here. On the 2-hour charts, when you see what it has done, it has come down to take the support from the 20 period moving average. And now once it starts to rise, it is going to be difficult for it to now break beyond 21,800, 840 zone, because now once it breaks beyond 21,800, 840, we are looking forward to a stronger rise. So I can say, see, the crossover here is also very, very important. This suggests certainly bullishness here in the price. And if you connect this, you can also find this is how it has been trading, where the highs are now towards 22,050 levels. Stochastic has dropped, MACD has crossed over, slight bearish sign it is, and the RSI has also come out of the overbought zone. On the the observation is same here. Possibility of a reversal exists here. See, this could be the reversal sign. Let it break on the upside beyond 21,720, 760. You can expect more rise. We can expect 800, 840, and if 840 is taken, stay bullish for 21,900, 920 and 970 levels. In fact, 22,000 is possible, but right now the stance is not so strongly supportive of such a stronger rise. Stochastic has dropped. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. And on the 4-hour charts also similar observation. After forming higher lows, it is trying to bounce back. Now notice another point here. Here also the moving averages have crossed over here, and this is going to be the prime support zone for the day. So any drop below 21,600 and 21,500. Now this is the prime resistance zone for Nasdaq 100 on the downside. Any drop below 21,600 and 500 is a clear sign of a massive reversal, massive bearishness here. Coming, notice what's happening on the daily charts. Higher lows there, higher highs there, trying to reverse. Support there till towards 21,500. That is also the 20 period moving average. Below that only you can expect the bearishness to prevail and take it towards 21,350, 200. Chances of which appears to be less, but these are markets. On the upside, now wait for it to stay about 21,760 and 800 and 840. If 840 is taken, stay bullish. So looking at this, I will recommend you to buy 21,720. 725 levels, expected to move towards 21,750, 760, 21,800, 840, and then beyond 840 is where the bulls are waiting towards 21,900, 920 and 21,970. For 22,000 is also possible. Anything and everything is possible. On the downside, selling entries are pretty clear at 21,670 levels. Expect 21,640, 650 as the first, 21,600 as the second, and then 21,548 and 21,500. Below 21,500 is where bearishness will be seen. Trade accordingly. Let's move to Dow. See, US 30 has hit the lows close to 43,020, 43,030. and now trying to reverse, and now it is definitely going to be difficult for it to break beyond 43,150. Once it trades beyond 43,150, stay bullish for 43,250, and once it trades beyond 43,250, stay bullish for 43,400 levels possibly. Notice the formation: rise, retracement, rise, consolidation, rise, retracement. So yes, it is very very important for US30 to come out of this zone. On the downside, 42,900, one very strong support, and 42,800, the next one. These two levels are very critical here. Moving averages, staying bullish. Stock IC oversold, MACD crossing over for sell, RSI has dropped here. On the 2-hour charts also similar observation. See, prices have come down to take the support from the 20 period. So now after the support, if it bounces back and if you see it is staying beyond 43,120, 150 zone, stay bullish for 43,200, 250, and if 43,250 is taken, stay bullish. We are looking at 43,400 and 43,500 as the next targets. Indicators have certainly cooled down. On the 3-hour charts also similar observation. Another observation on the 3-hour charts: rise, consolidation, rise, consolidation. So this is the second step move here. Any move beyond 43,250 should bring a strong bullishness here. Let's have a look at the daily charts now. On the daily, notice this drop, bullishness there, retracement, one stronger or you can say moderately bullish move, and now it has started the day on a flat note, and now it has to reverse or retrace. So once it stays beyond 43,250, chances will be high that 43,400 and 43,500 to be there. Beyond that is where the bulls will be seen, else it can erase all the gains from the preceding candle and move towards 42,800. So considering this, I will recommend you to buy here at 43,120, expect 43,160, 200, 240, and if 43,240, 250 is taken, stay bullish for 43,400, and then 43,500 levels are also very much possible. On the downside, a selling entry now in Dow Jones is only and only if you see it is staying below 43,020 levels. Expect 42,970, 950 as the first, 42,900 as the next, and then 42,800 is the must. Below 42,800 is where the bears are waiting. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates. And join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.